This video reviews the StairMaster 8Gx assembly procedure. Recommended tools. Step 1. Remove the product from the packaging. Ensure the rear feet are not left in the packaging materials. Connect them to the receiving stud. Step 2. Insert the left courtesy step into the frame. Tighten fasteners and torque to 30 foot-pounds. Repeat for the right side. Step 3. Install the left grommet with the flat side in onto the side frame. Then slide the side frame into the left side weldment. Secure fasteners and torque to 26 foot-pounds. Repeat for the right side. Step 4. Attach the mast weldment to the frame, ensuring the compression plates are below. Step 5. Attach the left handrail assembly into the left side frame weldment and loosely secure. Repeat for the right side. Step 6. Tighten all handrail to side rail fasteners. Torque all other mast and handrail fasteners to 27 foot-pounds. Step 7. Route the main wire bundle through the top of the mast. Connect left and right control and heart rate cables from the handrail assemblies to the respective receiving connectors. Tuck any excess cables back into the mast. Step 8. Attach 2 mounts to the top shroud and 2 mounts to the center shroud. Tighten the fasteners. Step 9. Loosely install the top and center shroud to the frame to ensure fit, then tighten all the fasteners. Step 10. Install the center cap and secure the fasteners, then install the mast grommet. Step 11. Slide the notch on the left top side shroud under the center side shroud and secure the fasteners. Repeat on the right side. Step 12. Slide the notch on the left bottom side shroud under the center side shroud and secure the fasteners. Repeat on the right side. Step 13. Place the front of the display against the weldment and loosely fasten. Connect data, handrail, heart rate, and ground cables. Refer to the decal on the inner back display plastic for routing pathways. Tuck unused cables back into the mast weldment. Fully tighten the display. Step 14. Route the wireless charging cable through the mast, then secure the front mast shroud to the mast with 4 fasteners. Connect the wireless charging cable, then snap the back display plastic on. Step 15. Align to the front mast shroud and secure the rear mast shroud. Step 16. Attach the right cup holder to the mast weldment and secure the fasteners. Repeat for the left side. Step 17. Install right and left side rail grommets. Step 18. Plug the power cord in and secure the strain relief fastener to the wire. Step 19. Assembly complete. Refer to the 2025 LED startup video for registration, Wi-Fi connection, and software update procedures, or the owner's manual for further setup and use options.